We're on our way to the solo premiere.
Stars are here. I think I see Beyonce.
Beyonce.
Beyonce. Oh no. Oh no, that's not. I came here to fuck up these bitches.
We just got out of the movie.
It was good. It was great. It was a fun time. It was a fun challenge.
It was a really good movie. I didn't expect it, honestly, like to be good.
I wasn't excited for it, honestly. But I walked out a stan.
Yeah.
A stan.
Donald Glover is amazing.
The female characters.
The female characters could have been more badass. That's all I'm gonna say. They could have had a little more zhuzh to them.
Han Solo was like not Han Solo, but he was Han Solo.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's not Harrison Ford, but we appreciate the efforts that was made.
We do feel the universe do need you, Harrison, but
But yeah, we had an awesome experience. We got to see a lot of celebrities. We got to do the red carpet, which was cool with all the fans. And we got to see the movie, which was amazing. So thank you so much to Disney and Hot Topic. And catch us on the flip side, girl.